In today's tutorial, we're going to be having a look at some of the add-ons in a waxing service, and today in particular is a tummy wax. I would suggest that you do the add-ons as an additional charge to your clients, otherwise it becomes something that clients do expect for free with, let's say for example, a bikini wax. So a tummy or the buttocks would be an area or two areas that I would charge as an add-on, and I'm going to show you today how to do a tummy wax. So we've got our preparation to do, which is to cleanse. Now we're going to be having a look at hair growth direction. So our client doesn't have a great deal of tummy hair, but just the general area where it can change is here. So leading from the pubic mound up to the navel, the hair will either grow down or it will grow up. And for our lady here, it's showing the majority as growing up. And then the rest of the hair that might be around the navel tends to grow in, because this is the area the hair is trying to protect. So grow in towards that area. So we're going to cleanse with the Outback Organics Gel Cleanser, so that we are hydrating and softening the follicle area for removal of the hair. Then we've done the botanical oil. So we need to remove all the residue of the oil with a tissue. And we've got some just coming down here. So we've got always towards the navel. Your add-ons usually add about 10 minutes onto your treatment time so that you can price them according to your area. So I'm going to catch this hair here because it's transitioned a little bit into terminal hair. Generally it would be vellus like this hair here, but this has started to transition a little bit into terminal hair, which will potentially make it a bit more resistant. I'm going to go against, and then I'm going to take the application with the direction of hair growth. So the other hand is supporting the skin and then finishing up by the navel. Now you can here do an application and speed set with a very wet cotton wool piece that will set your peelable wax quickly so that we can take it off straight away. And I'm just going to follow around the navel. Just making sure that we're supporting the skin. You don't have to work in one patch. That can sit there and set while you get some other patches on. I tend to tweeze off the patch in these areas just so that I can support the skin where it might not be as taut as, let's say, for example, a leg. And I'm just going to do one more on this area here. The skin is telling me that I can overlay. There's a slight high colour, which is pink. That's a normal response, but quite comfortable for another application of wax. Beautiful. So we're going to re-cleanse the area. Before we put our aftercare. Always re-cleanse once you've done a wax. one little hair here. I'm just going to tweeze. And then I'm going to put a little bit of aloe gel for her aftercare, just where there is a little bit of high color, because this is sensitive skin area. Aloe gel is perfect, and we'll take all of that high color down. And that is how you do a 5 to 10 minute add-on tummy wax.